What's going on, Pro Cutters? John and Donovan out here at the bird park, and we're on the trail by the boat ramp because the main parking lot was to capacity. So we're down here, and they've been doing a lot of work clearing brush on the side of these trails. So there's a lot of people out here today. Not super thrilled about that, but it is what it is. Oh, there you go. Got the camera back out now that we passed all these people, so get you in on Donovan here. Yeah, Donovan is was a little freaked out by all the people. He's not used to seeing this many people at the bird park here. Usually we can come and have a trail to ourselves, but like I said, the main parking lot was to capacity, and hell, even the boat ramp parking lot, there had to have been over a dozen cars there easily. Look at this tree down here, and it's made like a little, it's got all kind of branches and mud packed up against it. It's made a little cove in here. I would imagine there'd be some fish hiding in there, sheltered in. We never did get to do much fishing last year. Hopefully this year I have a little bit more time. I don't know if that's going to be the case though, because I've already got quite a workload building up. But if I can get everything done early in the year, then maybe I can actually have a relaxing summertime. Who knows? Always busy. Sun is bright heading this direction. Yeah, let's go down here, Donovan. And then we'll go on that new cut trail. Circle around and go back the way we came. Got some cyclists. And now instead of going to the pavement, we'll go on this tractor trail. Because even though it's right next to the pavement, we've never been on this trail before. And I like to hit all the trails. This way, Dee, we're staying over here.